Welcome back to another Horse Academy video. So in the last video, I bought a brand new horse, which her name is Jasper MC, and she was level 6 when I got her. I got her fairly cheap. Her stats are quite good. They're actually very good actually. And here's her talent point. So yeah, let's just start. Um, if you think I should get rid of Blizzard, please leave a message below. Let's do him a bit of training. Let's do a bit of speedrun for him. Let's go and race her. Also, guys, I tried to upload 3 to maybe 4 or maybe 2 videos today. If you want me to keep making videos, keep liking, please. Okay, so right, we're just waiting for this person. Okay, right, we can get ready to race now. I don't think I got my sound on, but oh well, I'll turn it on in a minute. Okay, so she's second, so she's not that bad of a horse. She's third now. Oh, now she's fourth. If you think I should train her, please like this video. Um, I will put a link to my Facebook in the description below. Um, also check out my other videos. So she's in fifth, so I reckon I might have to train her anyway. So I'll get on and train her. Okay, so she didn't do too well. We'll race Blizzard in a minute. Okay, so let's just do the happiness. I tend to get carrots, but if she's going to be pregnant, then I would probably get something different. So I'm going to try and short sprint to her. Okay, so I'm going to train Blizzard now. Okay, so he's ready to race. This is a dirt, so I don't know if he'll do well or not. If he doesn't do too well, I might sell him. If you don't think I should sell him, just comment on this video. If you guys would like me to play any other certain kind of Facebook game, I will try and play it because I already play 4 or 5 already. So yeah, so he's not doing too well. He's in last place. So I might have to sell him to get a better horse. But I might keep him for a while, and then just like sell him later on. So what level is he? Actually, wait, we'll find out in a minute. So if he's level 5, I'll go ahead and breed him with my other horse. Okay, so he's nearly level 5. He's not as yet. So if it was a pregnant horse, I would probably go for the grain. But look, if you click on details, a tasty treat for your horse, sure to make your horse happy. So that one will make my horse happy. Okay, so let's just try and race Blizzard again to get him to level 5. Because he's literally just at the end of level 4, coming on to level 5. Okay, so guys, we're racing Blizzard now. Now that everyone has joined. He should be level 5 when he finishes this race. But he will probably be in 6th place. Okay, so he's not doing too well. He's getting beaten by all the other horses. Okay. So I've just leveled up in Horse Academy. I'm level 5. Well, I'm level 3 actually, but my horse is level 5. So he can breed now, which is very good. Okay, so if I come out of here and press this button here, breeding, I can go and breed with any other horse, but I would prefer to do it with my own horse. Oh, I could do it with my other account. Yeah, I think I'll just do it with my other account. So I'm gonna go sell on Blizzard now. So sell horse, Blizzard. I'll ask maybe 110 for him. He's got 1 talent point, so yeah. So guys, I think I'm gonna end it here. So thanks for watching. Bye. Comment, rate, and subscribe if you like the video, and hopefully next time when I do another video, Black Hawk would be out. So yeah, thanks guys for watching. Bye.